I have a little experiment today. We're gonna try and see if we can figure out which is better to clean a barbecue. Is it the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, or is it the Dawn dishwashing soap? It's got nasty stuff here, over there. So here it is, the Magic Eraser. Put it in some warm water. This is a Pampered Chef scraper. Scotch-Brite non-scratch pad. Let's get it wet, some warm water, and I've got the Dawn, so you guys can see it's got some staining left, not much. And I did the Magic Eraser on this one. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's got all these little pieces of the foam that's just disintegrating on this. It's wearing down pretty fast. Here's the piece I did with the Dawn dishwashing. And this one, scrubbed it a few times with the Magic Eraser. Debris all left behind, and there's still stuff up here. Scrubbing pretty hard here. Let's see how much pressure it takes to get this stuff off of here. Alright, now let's try with the Dawn dishwashing. Put a little bit on there. Spread it around a little bit, and we're going to turn it over and use this Scotch part. It's got those stains right there. I'm going to see if I can't get those out with the Magic Eraser. Or it seems like to me that this Magic Eraser does better on metal, and the Dawn does better on painted surfaces. You got some of them out. better than it was with the Dawn dishwashing. This painted surface though, I think the Dawn did better. And you can see the dirt that I'm taking off with the paper towel. With the Dawn, that was left from Magic Eraser. I think overall, neither one of them did a unbelievable, fantastic job though. Mediocre at best. It does look better, but it's not like brand new by any stretch. On either side, I would rate both of these products as a C. Although I think the Magic Eraser did better on the stainless steel than the Dawn dishwashing soap. Up here, you can see it took off a lot more of the baked on stuff. The Dawn did. But the stainless steel, it looks good.